Last May 10, SB19 featured in the Korean Herald News by Lee Jong-un, and it says that Filipino P-pop sensation SB19 shares pride on a new album and growing global reach. Following the new album, Simula at Wakas, SB19 is gearing up for a global tour that will take them across North America, Asia, and the Middle East, continuing to expand its reach. This is in connection, guys, sa kanilang world tour concert na magsisimula sa May 31 as their Simula at Wakas Kick-Off Concert Tour, and it will be last for 2 days from May 1 and June 2. So yun po ang ating latest update about SB19.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though